This is the 2020 Vespa S125 in Black Vulcano and in Yellow Soleil. Yes, dare to be bold with your choice of color for this scooter. Pag sinabi nating Vespa, automatic na it comes with style at perfect for any age. Aside from giving you a youthful feel, this S125 presents a sporty look, especially with the single-seater design. We have the iconic and improved headlamps, plus the new front shield, which are the main characteristics of the Vespa S. Dagdag to its charming look itong latest Velg and contrasting color graphics. Paborito ko rin itong handy compartment sa harap na pwedeng i-lock at itong trunk na kayang mag-load ng half-face helmet. It also comes with a bag hook for extra convenience. The Piaggio Group, the Italian manufacturer behind the world's favorite scooter, made sure that anyone who drives a Vespa brings a modern and fashionable impression on the road. Hashtag aesthetic. We are here at Vespa Pampanga at LausGroup Motorcycle Center. Last August lang ito nagbukas, pero grabe ang dagsa ng mga in love sa Italian scooter na ito.
Well, hindi natin maitatanggi na marami talaga ang nauhumaling sa legendary icon na ito. In fact, mas lalong naging sensation ng Vespa nang ginamit ito ng sikat na aktres na si Audrey Hepburn sa pelikulang Roman Holiday.
At isa sa mga avid fans ng Vespa dito sa Pampanga, si Dr. Anthony Clemente. Let's get to know how perfect this iconic bike is for him.
In Italian, Scopramolio.
Doc, gano'n na ba kayo katagal sa profession na to? Bakit ito naman yung specialization na napili niyo?
Sa orthopedic practice ko dito sa Pampanga, 14 years na rin ako. So, napili ko yung orthopedics. First, yung pinasukan ko talaga was rehabilitation medicine. But walang masyadong action. So, most of the patients na hinahandle namin before were orthopedic patients. So, na-expose ako ng marami. And then, siguro, nung bata din ako, mahilig akong mga likot, karpintero, tornilyo.
So this time buto.
So, yung inner passion ko lumabas. Nung pumasok ang orthopedics, naramdaman kong yun talaga yung para sa akin.
Wow.
And may experience kayo sa military, no? So maraming
Bali
cases
yung
na
training
ganito,
ko
Doc.
talaga ng orthopedics sa Biluna Medical Center. It's yung pinaka-center na talaga natin sa mga sundalo natin. So, it caters most of mga soldiers na into trauma, tsaka mga gunshot injuries. So, syempre, kasama na rin yung mga vehicular accidents.
Okay. And the hardest part of being an orthopedic surgeon is?
Syempre, no, yung pressure to deliver, especially in times of emergencies. Lahat halos kasi ng mga cases namin are sometimes, kung hindi man emergency, urgency. Diba? Kasi when you have fractures or may mga sugat ka, tendency lagi is natatakot ka, magmamadali. So kami naman, we need to respond really quickly.
But ano yung pinaka-misconception, Doc, about dito sa field mo sa medicine?
Misconception? Yung palagi iniisip nila mamumutol ka ng paa. kasi palagi pagdating sa iyo ng patient, tatanong ka, Doc, puputulin po ba? So, we're trying to save limbs, no? To save lives. Ganun ang ano namin. So, syempre, kaya nga kami nag-aaral ng ganitong specialty is to save the limbs, no? As much as possible.
Kung meron kang isang natutunan sa mga pasyente mo na very common na natututunan mo o na-realize per patient, ano yun? About life in general or whatever.
Okay. Ako, sa tingin ko, no, it's more of give and take. It's very rewarding na hindi ka man nila mabayaran, no? Hindi ka man nila ma-compensate kung ano yung real job na ginawa mo. Pero in the future, magbabalikan ka nila yung hindi man yung recognition, yung the respect that you get, tsaka yung yung nababalik nilang mga marami pang referrals na patient. Sobrang rewarding. So I think the more you give, the more you receive.
Maybe some advice to our viewers, kung how can they take care of their,
yes.
diba?
Okay. Alam mo, dapat, habang bata ka, no? So, ako, tapos na dun sa age na yun, no? Habang bata ka, mag-invest ka sa bones mo. Because yung bones natin, there is a certain age mo lang siyang mapapatibay, no? Yung tinatawag nilang peak bone mass mo is around only until 40 years old.
Oh my God.
So,
Lapit ka na ba?
I have...
malapit na tayo.
Huwag mo na ako sali.
Okay. So, ano gagawin na lagi? Continue, Doc. Interested ako.
Siyempre, bone is 99% calcium. So, drinking milk would be helpful. Tapos, exercise, the more you put stress kasi on the bone, the more it gets stronger.
Okay. Wow.
So, you need also sunlight. Yan yung mga bagay na dinidinay natin na libre, di ba? We try to get a lot of supplementations, pero yung pagpapaaraw lang sa
vitamin D.
Vitamin D.
Okay.
So, yun lang naman eh. So, you need to, syempre, yung mga bad habits, kamukha ng smoking, alcohol, drinking, nakakapahina ng bone. So, talagang to make the bone stronger, dapat mobile ka lagi.
So, Doc, what do you do to relax naman?
Ako, to relax? One way to relax. Una, kamukha nito, no? I have my motorcycle.
Yan.
No? Actually, gusto ko pa lang sanang, nagpaplano pa lang ako, but natuwa naman ako, pinili ako ng wife ko ng motorcycle. So, may tinatawag na wind therapy. So,
wind therapy.
Uy,
Wow, okay.
bagong term yan
Sige, Doc, explain mo ulit yan. Kagaya na ng peak bone density.
Hindi, yung wind therapy is just like, di ba, pag nagbabike ka or speed, yung nafe-feel mo talaga yung drag ng wind sa'yo, you get so relaxed. And then, with a motorcycle, you should naka-focus, di ba? Hindi pwede kasi yung inattentiveness sa pagmumotor.
Yes.
Kaya that is what is keeping you sharp.
Okay.
Yun ang isa siguro nabibigay ng pagmumotor eh.
Yes.
Yung, di ba, yung pagiging attentive tsaka sharp ka sa nangyayari sa paligid mo. That's what a surgeon needs also, di ba? Pag nag-o-opera kami, hindi pwede yung marami kang distraction. Dapat focus ka lang sa ginagawa.
Sa ginagawa mo. Yeah.
Siguro matatry ko yun mamaya.
Oo.
Try lang. Hindi ko makapromise.
Pero baka
siguro na yung
baka,
wind therapy.
baka naman may minimum speed ba mo naman ma-achieve yung wind therapy na
Hindi
yun.
masyadong mag-experiment.
Dapat maganda yung yung
CD,
view, di ba?
ah.
Para relax.
Okay.
Hindi naman wind tapos puro usok.
Always expect the best from this Italian sensation worldwide. Kaya for its power, we have 125cc air-cooled, single-cylinder, and an I-Get engine. That is Italian Green Experience, the latest technology that improves performance, fuel efficiency, and noise reduction while driving. So cool! No worries din pagdating sa mechanical at electronic components ng engine dahil fully designed ito to optimize fuel consumption and maximum performance. No sweat when it comes to accessories and services for you and your scooter. Lahat ng kailangan ninyo from helmet, carrier, fly screen, gloves, meron sila dito sa Vespa Pampanga. May mga exclusive Vespa merchandise din tulad ng shirts, jackets, at bags. Everything about Vespa is Instagrammable talaga.
So Doc, can you tell us what kind of Vespa do you have?
Yung Vespa ko actually was a gift from my wife sa birthday ko. It's a Vespa Sprint 125 white carbon.
White carbon. So it's 125cc.
Yes.
Okay.
I think the unit that we're going to test drive today is also a S125.
125cc. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So the viewers can see more of it later.
So Doc, what do you like most about itong S125 na unit mo?
Definitely, if you're a starter sa pag-scooter or motorbikes, ease of use, ang dali-daling gamitin. Yung pag-maneuver, wala kang problema. It's like riding a bike.
Okay.
Tsaka, ano siya, yung handling niya, madali lang lahat. Parking, kasi maliit lang, so nakakasingit-singit.
So parang plug and play lang, Doc.
Parang hindi mo kailangan aral to drive it.
So parang pinaka-entry level siya into biking, no? Itong mga scooter na to. Kasi nga, sabi nga ni Doc, ease of use is nandun. Tapos, yung size niya, but yung comfort niya is also good.
The ride is good. Tsaka, if you're into yung gas mileage niya, sobrang parang di ko nga matandaan kung kailan ako huling nagpagas eh. Kasi ang tipid.
Matipid sa gas.
Pero nakwento mo kanina, Doc, no? January mo to nakuha, itong unit. Pero meron nang gustong bumili ng unit mo. So I think this is because yung depreciation value niya kasi, no? Hindi siya agad nag-depreciate yung value niya.
So can you tell us about that, Doc?
Ano kasi yung I think yung nakuha ko was a limited edition. So, dito ata, like, dalawa lang ang unit. So, nung nakita ko sa online, nakisama ako sa mga Vespa group, a lot are asking if I'm reselling it. Kasi ang
Gano'n kabilis,
hanapin, no? Like, it's just a week.
So pwede ka nang kumita pala doon, Doc?
So it's a good investment, no?
Sa mga enthusiasts.
Sa mga enthusiasts, ano?
The one na talagang masasabi mong nag-stand out ang Vespa is, one, it's iconic. It's a classic. Pag nakita ka pa lang nang nakasakay ka ng Vespa, somebody would always look at you. And when it comes to I think hindi yung technology or it's the feel na naka-Vespa ka masarap. Yun ang nag-stand out sa kanya.
So off-cam, meron din sinabi si Doc Nicolette about yung anong gawa yung body niya. So what is it made, and actually that makes Vespa different from all other scooters. So Doc, maybe you can tell us a little bit about that?
Actually, kamukha nung history ng Vespa, yung si Piaggio, more on sa aeronautics sila. So the body itself, parang plain material, pero kaya matibay yung Vespa, it's iron cast.
Okay.
So, yun talaga yung nagdi-differentiate sa kanya.
So maybe later, Doc, can you show us, you know, your Vespa, and
Okay.
so we can try it. Nicolette can try it maybe.
I'll try.
Okay.
T-R-Y, try.
Baka anytime may mapabili na rin siya ng Vespa.
O kaya baka gusto mag-upgrade ni Doc ng ano, para sa mas malayong ride, di ba?
Actually, yun ang isang ano ng Vespa. Girls love it. So, kailangan mag-ride ka.
Let's see.
Girls love it. So, do you wish you're a Vespa? Wow!
Right, Doc.
Nice! Wow, Doc. That's a nice ride. Nice bike. So, what advice can you give our viewers for those planning to buy a scooter? You know, what are the things that they should consider for their safety? Kasi nakikita kita ngayon parang
Complete year.
complete gear.
Definitely, pag safety talaga, yung gears are the most important na dapat mong i-invest. No? And then, kailangan din natin talaga ng education with the use of the motorcycle and road rules. That would be it. Tsaka disiplina lang talaga sa road.
So, yeah, we talk about gears. So, can you demonstrate or show to our viewers what are the gears that you have right now?
Ito, I have my Vespa helmet. No?
So, Vespa helmet.
Oo.
It's nice.
They should have a goggles no, para sa eye protection. You have your gloves. And also, you should have your pads and everything.
So, Doc, ano ba tong hinahanap-hanap na feeling ng mga riders kung bakit gusto nila yung there's this sense of freedom or paano ba yung nafe-feel mo pag nag-ride ka?
Siyempre, no, pag nagra-ride ka, you have this feeling na you're one with the nature, no? Ang sarap, lalo na pag nahahanginan ka na. Kamukha nung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, it's a therapy.
Okay. So, dito sa bike mo, gaano na kalayo yung nadating mo or any destination that you want to go using your bike?
Definitely, no, gusto ko talaga makarating pa ng mas malalayo, no? If the weather will permit, saka yung kasama ko yung mga friends, we can go as far as north.
Wow, okay. Tapos, well, because yung bike natin is how many cc is that? The one that you have is 300?
125.
125, yeah.
So baka mag-upgrade si Doc ng pang 300 na para
I
mas malayo-layo yung mararating niya.
think it's in the plan, right?
Definitely.
Okay.
Dash away with your latest Vespa! Bumisita na dito sa LausGroup Motorcycle Center, Microtel Lane Event Center Boulevard, LausGroup Complex, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. If you have any questions or would like to purchase your Vespa bike, contact Chrisselle Joy Singian with this number. To stay up to date with their latest offers, like and follow their Facebook page, Vespa Pampanga.
Nothing to wear? Wear a Vespa, the best loved scooter of all time. Stay up to date with our stories by following our social media accounts.
Make your everyday travel a memorable adventure with your own Vespa. Let us know in the comments kung may request kayong sasakyan for next feature. Make sure to subscribe here sa CLTV 36 because we will be presenting more videos of different brands which might be your next ride.
I'm Ariel de la Cruz,
I'm Nicolette Henson-Hizon.
and this is Stories on Wheels.
I'm always wide awake with wild thoughts at 3 a.m. Chasing the cold side of a pillow like I'm embracing a friend. Think about making some means so I can start meeting some ends. Just as a team been chasing dreams, like fiends running from fence. Teacher paralyzed through my lines with a strike of a pen.